This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so let me go back. So yesterday we learned about like reversals, check reversals and deposit slip cancellation. Then sales tax connection, sales tax we are learning. Okay, the standard taxation. Let me show you. Let me go to this new company which we have created, ALTD. So let me write down the steps in the new file. Yeah, anyone has? Yeah, Sushma, if you don't mind, can you share your screen and can I make you presenter? Sushma will verify your system. No problem, your mic is not working also fine. Let me make fine. I'm making you a presenter. So I made you presenter. You can share your screen and will verify. I will guide you. Even though if you are not able to speak, no problem. I will guide you. We'll verify that one. So you need to accept my yes. Can you make presenter? So I have given permission. You need to accept. You need to click OK. Then you will be presenter. So not yet. You have not shared your screen. I made you presenter, Sushma. So I made you presenter. Give me a minute. Let me verify. So I already made you presenter. You need to click on acceptance. You need to click on acceptance. So can you go to this go to meeting and one pop-up message will come to you. One pop-up message will come to you. So you need to click OK. Acceptance or OK or I don't know what exactly it will come. I make you presenter. You are already presenter, Sushma. So go to meeting, go to meeting, and there will be pop-up message. You need to click OK or acceptance. I did not remember that exactly. Otherwise, let me make myself presenter once again, and I will make you presenter once again. So I made myself presenter. You need to click on share. So I'm making once again presenter. You need to click on share. So one pop-up message came. You need to click on share. Yeah, now it is coming. So everyone, you are able to see my screen, am I right? Sushma screen. Everyone?
Yes, sir. We are able to see the screen.
Yes.
Okay, fine. One second. Yeah. So now go to the same structures, accounting structures. Close this one first. Close this one. No, not that one. Not that one. Close means always the screen. Okay. Not that one. Right side corner screen. Okay. Fine. No problem. Go to the ledger form. Go to the ledger form. Okay. You have mapped 3 structures. So click on first AS11. So scroll down a little bit. Scroll down. Okay, so always don't keep star first. Okay, close this one, close this screen only. Right side corner, close this screen. No, not that one. This one only. Go back to this one. Right side corner, close. Yeah, that's one. Now click on AS12. So you have mapped 40002 5999. Okay, fine, close. Close this one. And third one, can you open the third one? AS13. So 60002 9999. Close. This is fine. Go to the first one. Go to the first one. Why it was accepted, I don't know. This is a mistake from you. Click on edit in the top. Okay, and scroll down. Scroll down. Remove that star 100 star. Remove that 10 star. Apply. Click on apply. 1 second. Click on apply. In the downside, apply button is there. Not that one. Apply. Wait. Yeah. Next. Left side. Apply checkbox is there. Yeah. Yes. Now in the top also it was selected. Okay. Now click on activate. So is it your services.msc is running or not? Do you have any doubt? Otherwise, in the start button, Windows start services.msc, type services, SERVI, not server manager. Close this one, not this one. Start service, type SERVE, the top one, the top, no, not that one. Remove that once again. VI, remove that VI. Yeah, that one only. Fine, that is fine. Services, yes. Services start. Yeah, click on that one. So select anyone. Select anyone. M. Click on M. In the keyboard, click on M. Okay. So Microsoft Dynamics. So okay, it is running now. No problem. This is running. You can minimize or close. Anything is fine. No problem. Okay. Now click on activate. Okay, it is now activating. So here in this case, you have made like business unit and department mandatory. Understood? Business unit star is there. Business unit star is there. Department star is there. Means it is must and should you need to select business unit and department. So you want business unit and department mandatory or not? You can type in the chart. So if you want to make it mandatory, yeah. Okay, fine, no problem, understood. So first we'll make it mandatory and we'll show you. Okay, now click on refresh screen. The refresh screen is there, left side. Yeah, now it is activate. Okay, close this one, active. Close this screen. So go to the second AS12. Go to AS12. This is also you made it mandatory. Business unit and item group. Everywhere it is mandatory. Okay. So if it is a mandatory, go to the second browser. Go to the second browser. Go to the purchase order which you have created. Go to the purchase order. So you need to map all dimensions. You need to map all dimensions. It is mandatory because you made mandatory. Mandatory means must and should you need to select. Okay, so click on that purchase order, open the purchase order. Yeah. Now go to header view, header, go to the header in the top, lines and header is there, not that one. Lines, 1 second. You are able to see all purchase orders. Are you able to see all purchase orders? ALTD PO -00001 Yeah, and the line, same line, scroll right side, header. Yes, click on header. Now scroll down completely scroll down. The financial dimensions tab, expand financial dimensions tab. So click on edit in the top. Click on edit in the top. You need to map business unit, department. Yeah, scroll down. So you need to map business unit because you made mandatory. Select anyone, no issues. Anyone is your wish. You can select. Okay, and the department also. And item group also. Save. Click on save button. It will pop up your message. So update all. Okay, click on update. Okay. Now go to the lines. Next to header, lines is there. Yeah. Now scroll down. Financial dimensions also last there. Financial dimensions. Yeah. Now you need to fill the dimensions. Save. Click on save. Now go up. Completely go up and go to purchase tab. Purchase tab in the top. There is a purchase tab. Confirm. You need to do once again confirmation. So now approved status will be changed to confirmed. The status will be changed from approved to confirmed. Yes. Now you can go to invoice tab. Yeah, confirm. Now invoice tab and invoice. Yes, you can try to generate invoice. Pending invoice, you need to delete. You need to click on edit the top. Click on edit. No, this is fine. You need to go to, anyhow it will be opened. Click on edit. Yeah, pending invoice. Click on edit in the top and you need to delete this one because at the time of pending invoice creation you have not mapped any dimensions, so it will not be captured. You need to delete this one. So delete it in the top, delete. Click yes. Yeah. So close also, this one also. Refresh the screen. Then pending invoice will be removed. If you verify invoice, pending invoice will be removed. Now click on generate invoice. Now do it whatever you want. Invoice number, invoice date and everything. Try to fill it. Now try to post. Without any errors, it will be posted. Remaining people, anyone? So there are many people. Sushma, I'm not able to hear. Remaining people, can you speak? Mogis, Narayana,
Now
are you
we
able to
can
hear me?
hear you, sir.
Yes, sir, we are able to hear you.
There is a network issue because Sushma is not able to speak. Yes, Sushma, can you go back to the application? Go back to the application. So network issues at that time it was something. So next time onwards, I don't want to map all these things. Then in that case, you can go to accounting structure, go to the first browser. So if you don't want mandatory, you want to make it optional, then click on edit. Yes, click on edit. Okay, then you can click on blank values are allowed. Downside, blank values are allowed. Yeah, now for item group also. So now activate. Not required. All these things are not required. So this means activate. This means it is your wish. You can map the item group and business unit are not required. That is depending upon the situations. Understood? If you want to make it optional, you can make it optional. Otherwise, you can make it mandatory. If it is mandatory means it is must and should, you need to select. Clear, Sushma? Good, fine. So I'm making myself presenter. I'm taking my control. So whatever Sushma is doing, I'm expecting everyone need to practice. Everyone. So only listening will not help you. Team, everyone, I'm speaking from many days. If you are only listening, you cannot get a job. You cannot sustain in a company. So maybe you can get a job. Maybe if you have some references, you may get a job. But if you want to sustain in that company, you need to practice with the system a lot. So company creation process is one of the minimum important topic. Means if you want to become a functional consultant, not only Dynamics, any ERP, even it is a small Tally also, you need to practice. If you are not practicing and if you are doing, then there is no use. Okay, so if you want to learn numbers 0 to 99, must and should you need to learn 0 to 99. If you learn 0 to 99 perfectly, then you can learn mathematics easily. You can learn mathematics easily. So any number, if you want to understand, first you need to understand 0 to 99. In the same manner, company creation process is must and should. Everyone need to practice. Okay, fine. So yesterday we are learning about sales tax. I hope at least some people this Saturday, Sunday will utilize the time and they will come back to me with issues on Monday. At least some people I'm expecting. Okay, because you have paid fee, that amount if you want to fulfill, I meant to say for like if you want to get benefit from that one, you need to create company creation process. Must. Okay, fine. So yesterday we are learning about sales tax setups. Already I have explained earlier, but I'm showing you once again. First, you need to create a vendor account, and then you need to create sales tax authority. In the sales tax authority, you are going to select this vendor account. This vendor account should be selected in this one, sales tax authority. Next one is sales tax settlement periods. In this sales tax settlement periods, you are configuring this sales tax authority here, and you can use like a new period interval button. Using that one, you can create new periods. Then ledger posting groups you need to define, and then you need to create sales tax codes. Okay, yesterday we have created some sales tax codes in ALTD. Any company is fine, no issues, your wish. we have created Amazon Limited. So let me go to sales tax codes, that is tax module, sales tax codes. In this we have created AV cast. It is California cast something. Codes we have created. Another, let me create one more tax code, CA cast, NJ cast something I am creating. New Jersey. If it is any spelling mistake, leave it. Fine, no problem. Tax something I'm writing. Sales tax settlement period. Ledger posting group you are defining. So always the best practice is 0.01 at least. You need to map rounding precision. It is showing 0.00%. Let me click on sales tax codes and values we have discussed. Suppose this is 8.5%. Something. So one is California tax code, New Jersey tax code, something we have created. One is 8.5, another one is 7.25. So once the sales tax code is created, you need to create sales tax groups. Okay, so here I'm creating California tax group. And I'm mapping California tax code. AV cast is a California tax code. If it is any other more any more tax codes also applicable, those taxes you need to select here. All California tax related taxes I need to map one group. Next, New Jersey tax code. I don't know the New Jersey country, like a state spelling. Let me write down properly. Is it Jersey? Okay, I'm mapping the tax, New Jersey sales tax. So you are mapping this California tax to California customer and New Jersey to New Jersey customer, like that. So next step, sales tax group. So it is here in this only, tax module, indirect taxes, sales tax groups. Next, once it is defined, so map to customer, public vendor. Customer will be mapped with sales tax group. Go to the customer account and map the sales tax group. So it is in invoice and delivery fast tab. Invoice and delivery, you need to map sales tax group. Suppose if it is a customer California tax, then we need to map California. Okay. Once it is defined, next one is item sales tax group. I need to map all taxes. Okay, this item sales tax group should be mapped to the item master. This item sales tax group, once it is mapped, then you need to map that one to release product. Product information management, release products. So here in the item sales tax group, you need to map in the purchase and sales tab, purchase tab, fast tab and sales fast tab. Here you need to map item sales tax group. In sell tab also, sell fast tab. Okay, if you map like this, so here sales tax group should be mapped to the customer oblique vendor, both. Whereas item sales tax group, this sales tax group should be mapped in the purchase fast tab and sales fast tab. In both areas you need to map it. Okay, now you can create a sales order. So for vendor also, let me map. Okay, now I'm creating a sales order and I will show you the taxes, how it is coming. Click on new button. Select the customer. Select site and warehouse. Click OK. Select the item. Click on tab. So click on tab here. Now if you verify the sales order and if you verify the tax, tax is coming automatically. Look at this one. Tax is calculated automatically 4.35. From where it is coming? Earlier it is not coming, right? We are doing sales order like in USMF, it is not coming. The reason behind here, it was mapped, it was coming automatically. Sales tax group and item sales tax group. The common between these two is tax codes are 7.25, that is coming automatically into was posted. So in real time scenario, it will be mapped 7.25 and $60 is 7.25 percentage is 4.35. Understood? Any confusion here? So item sales tax group, from where it is coming? From the item master. And sales tax group, from where it is coming? From the customer. From the customer, sales tax group will be automatically populated. From the item, it will be populated. These two will be populated automatically. Now we can do the pick and pack tab, post packing slip. So here it is all only. I don't want pick. So click OK. So click OK. Now at the time of packing slip, temporary postings will be posted. It is $60, not $60. The price whatever the cost price is there, that cost price will be posted at the time of packing slip. $40. Okay, now we are doing invoice. So at the time of packing slip, there will not be any financial postings related to tax. Tax related postings will not be done. At the time of invoice only, the tax will be posted. I'm clicking OK. Now, if you verify the invoice, voucher, so here that 40 will be reversed, delivered whatever it is there, it will be reversed, and invoice will be, actual invoice will be posted with the 60 plus 4.35 taxes. Customer account data to revenue account credit, and as well as sales tax account credit. And cost of goods sold invoiced, cost COG invoiced account data to cost of units invoiced account credit. Any doubt in this area? Any questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
This tax to which account we mapped it?
So which account it will be posted? Sales tax. That's what your question, am I right?
Yes.
So we have created ledger sales tax group. Sorry, here. 1 minute. This one, ledger posting groups. There we have configured the ledger account. Let me show you. Set up ledger posting groups. We have mapped this account 20 to 100. That's what it was posted.
Okay.
Clear? So
Yeah.
even though if you map it, sometimes it will not recognize, you will get error messages. I have already informed you, like this posting type is most important. Remember, so posting type for this account, simply by creating a account will not help you. Give me a minute, it's loading. So for this account, every time account number and the description name is fine, and liability, the type is fine, but you need to map one more for taxation. Posting type should be selected. It is most important.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now let us do purchase order process. So let us understand how it is going on. Purchase order process. In another 15 minutes, we'll try to understand. I'm creating a purchase order. Purchase orders, all purchase orders. So I hope everyone is practicing with the new company. If not, if you are not practicing, there is no use for payment. Your fee, whatever the amount you have paid to me, that will not worthful to you if you are not practiced company creation process. So I'm creating a new purchase order now. Select the vendor, click OK. Site and warehouse I'm selecting, click OK. You can select anywhere, site and warehouse you can select in the line details or in this creation of a purchase order. select the item, okay, fine. Suppose I'm purchasing for 5 quantity. Now look at this one, it will show you the taxes automatically. It is 14.5. How it is coming? The taxes, it is downside item sales tax group and sales tax group. It is coming automatically because item sales tax group is from customer, sorry, from item, and sales tax group is from the vendor. It is coming automatically. Okay, doing confirmation. Receive tab, click on receive, generate area base, product receipt. So temporary postings at the time of product receipt will be updated. Let me post product receipt. Click OK. So the postings, it is immediately, it will not be posted. If it is a purchase order invoice, it will not be posted immediately. Then we need to go to general ledger, periodic tasks, sub ledger journal entry is not a transferred. So product receipt is posted. If you verify the voucher, it will not show immediately. It will not show immediately because the batch jobs are not running. Why it is not coming? The reason behind services.msc. This is not running in my system. That is the reason it will not be posted. So I'm doing now transfer now. Transfer now. If you do now transfer now, then if you go here, voucher will be displayed. It is a temporary postings, and at the time of temporary postings, there will not be any taxes. It is cost of material received account data to accrual account credit. Fine. This one you know already. Now I'm doing invoice. Go to invoice, generate invoice button. Okay, update match status. Now if you want to verify the taxes also, you can verify like financials. If you want, you can see the sales tax. It is showing sales tax amount. It is 14.5. Now I am posting. So go to invoice. And the voucher, it is blank once again. It is blank. You know this one. It is because batch job is running. It's not running my batch job in my system. The batch job is not running. That is the reason it is not posted. Now it was posted. So look at this one. This sales tax. It is posted to expenses because this is input credit is not possible for USA. As per USA taxation, there is no input tax for the purchases. That is the reason it is posting to expenditure. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is expenditure only, but not input credit. It is not possible. Okay, fine. Any doubts till now? Whatever you have learned, sales taxes. So actually, for taxation, once it is completed at the end of the month, every month end, it will be processed like this: declarations, sales tax, settle, and post sales tax. So this you need to do the process every month or every quarterly. You need to do it. This one is once you executed, you cannot do once again second time. So for this one, I would like to explain you some little bit. Country to country it will be vary. This process you can do one time, means you are submitting to the government of authorities. If it is India, it is Indian government like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, anything. You are doing payment. So for this, we have some small setups in general ledger, collapsal ledger setup, general ledger parameters. Taxation is a big subject, to be frankly. Okay, you will learn, you will gain more knowledge through implementations. Okay, here sales tax. So if you want to do amendments, corrections, here you can enable this checkbox. Special report include corrections. This is not a best practice. This is not a best practice. Don't enable this checkbox until and unless if the client is asking something. We will not enable this one. If you not enable this one, if you are not enabling this one, then this taxation, once it is executed, suppose Jan 1st to Jan 31st, from Jan 1st to Jan 31st, whatever the taxes you have paid, whatever the taxes you have collected. In India, it is input credit is available. That means sales tax minus purchase tax, the different tax. Sales tax means output tax, purchase tax means input tax. Whatever the difference is there, that will be should be calculated during this settlement. Okay, if it is USA, purchase tax is like it is not input tax, credit will not be there. So all the sales tax, whatever it is there, that will be processed here. If you do process, this cannot be executed multiple times. I mean to say, for the month of January 2022, you have executed, you cannot execute for December 2021. Means previous months will not be allowed, future months only will be allowed. So if you want to practice taxation, you need to do like coming months, future months also. Once it is executed, then if you want to see the report, you can see here report sales tax for settled transaction settlement period. Understood? you can generate a report. Got it? If you want, I will show you one transaction, settle and transactions. So for the month of February, I will do it because we have posted transactions in this month only. So that is the reason I'm doing for Feb month. Transaction date is today, whatever it is there, and I'm clicking OK. So once it is executed, you cannot do one more time. So what happens if you do settle and sales tax, settle and post sales tax? If you do this one, what happened? It will calculate the sum of all the taxes and it will post one transaction to the vendor account. So this vendor, it will create based on the country specific, whether it is a output tax minus credit input tax or only output tax, whatever it is there. Based on that, it will calculate and it will be posted to to the system. So this is a report. If you want, you can generate report. Okay, you can generate report. Let me generate, otherwise already processed. You cannot do one more time. Once it is posted, it is posted. That's it. You cannot execute this sales tax settlement process second time. For second time, if you want, you can run in the month of March only, because I have executed for Feb month. We have posted only one transaction. Whatever we have posted, that one transaction, that tax will be shown in the report. Give me a minute.
So regarding this tax correction, so
Yeah.
it will be even after this settling this tax transaction. So after settling also it will be corrected.
No, it will not allow. See, normally we will not enable this checkbox. Will not enable. If you are not enabling, the system means that means you have paid tax amount to the government of authority. Suppose for Telangana government you have paid. Can you modify that one? You cannot, am I right?
Yes.
If you, it is any differences, next month you will do it. Am I right?
Yeah.
So the same thing. So once it is processed, if it is any corrections, next month, March month, you need to do the payment. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
So now it was posted. So if you verify this is posted, the report, same report, if you want to generate once again, if you want to generate report, the same report, then you can click on report sales tax settlement period. You can select from date and you can click OK. The same report will be generated. So at that first time is you have executed process, settlement process, and you have generated report. Now this one is only to report. Okay, this amount, whatever it is there, collected tax amount, this will be posted to vendor account. Accounts payable, vendors, all vendors. So for this vendor, we have map TNGST, and if you verify the transactions, it will show you the net effect of the transaction. The net amount of the sales tax will be shown here. So against this vendor, you need to do the payment. That is the reason we have selected vendor account in the very first. Got it? This is not one tax, it is sum of pluses minuses will be calculated, processed everything. As of now, it is only one transaction, but in a month, suppose 1,000 transactions are there. Those 1,000 transactions, input credit, output credit, everything, sum up all those things, and the net amount, or whatever the amount you need to pay to the government of authority, that amount will be populated here as a vendor transaction, single transaction. So from where it is coming means, you know that one, like in the taxes, we have configured authority, tax authority. In the tax authority, we have configured this vendor account. Okay, so in the like sales tax settlement periods, here it will show you the transactions. So for this, it will show you posted sales tax. If you want, you can see here all the posted transactions. It will show you here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is transactions posted, and this is processed, sales tax processed. So if you do sales tax payment, it will show you here. I have not done payment. This is calculated only. We have not done payment. For this one, you need to do the payment to government of authorities. This is calculated processed taxation. Okay. So this Saturday, Sunday, please practice. Why I'm telling this one, as a brother, I'm just speaking with you. I think everyone need to practice. If you practice and if you come back to me with the errors, I will try to resolve your issues. Otherwise, in couple of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, it is going to be closed, the session. It is in your hand how much you are practicing, how much you are coming with errors. Based on that, it will be extended. Otherwise, most probably first week of March, the session will be ended. The sessions is going to be ended this month end or first week of March, if you are not asking any questions. Okay. Any more questions, anyone?
Sir,
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
I think Saujanya, you can continue. I'll ask.
Yeah, Saujanya.
okay. Yeah, actually, sir, yesterday I have posted this, created a new company and I have mapped all the ledger accounts in the posting. So, but still, when I process the purchase order, it is showing some cost of purchase material received does not exist.
So have you mapped at the time of product receipt, am I right? At the
Even
time of
product receipt or invoice, it's not showing, sir. It is showing the error message. It is not exist. The main account does not exist for this type cost of purchased material received or.
first thing is, have you done this posting setups properly?
Yes, sir.
Postings. Here,
Yeah.
have you done?
Yes, sir. I can share my screen.
Yeah. So see, next time onwards, please share in the very first only.
Okay.
Don't ask after 9 o'clock because I may have some other works, so I may not spend time. Now it is fine. I'm making you presenter. Immediately in the very first morning, like whenever I have started session, please ask questions. Okay. Now share your screen. Okay. So cost of purchased material received. Okay, fine. Next one. One second. Wait. Next one. Select the next one. Yeah. Mapped. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one. Next purchase accrual. Okay. Now take the duplicate browser. Take the duplicate browser. Okay. So first go to ledger form. I want to see ledger form. Okay. Here first I need to verify shade, and then okay, shade, fine. Click on that accounting structure 1. Click on accounting structure 1. Okay, wait. 10002 13999. Good. Close this one. Go to the second one. Okay, you made it like fine, that's good. Close. Third one. Okay, that's good. Now go to the purchase order and show me what is the error message you are getting. Okay, you need to click. Yeah, it is refreshing. Wait, no problem. Okay, so click on that one. Okay, wait, header, go to the header. So 1 minute, scroll down a little bit. Wait, vendor posting profile. Click on this VPP, posting VPP, click on that one. Okay, 200100. Second one, select second one, group. Okay, third one, all. Okay, fine, that's good. Close this right side corner, close, and try to do posting now. Click on invoice. Okay, now delete this one first. Delete this one. Click yes. Now close this form. Clear the screen once again. Refresh the screen. Browser, the browser refresh. Yeah, exactly, you're right. Now try to do invoice once again. No, don't click new, invoice. Yeah, so enter the vendor invoice number in the top, invoice number, enter. Date is not mandatory but optional, you can enter the date also. Yeah, fill the update mass status and proceed to post. What is the error message? Account number for transaction type, cost of material invoice does not exist. 1 second, item 4002. Okay, go to the ledger form, the third browser, click on recalculate ledger balance periods in the top. Click on that one, click OK. Whether you have executed or not, I don't know. You need to run one time, click OK. Okay, understood. Yeah, understood. Your GoToMeeting is facing challenges. Yeah, I know. That is challenge for me every day. Okay, fine. 1 minute, just a minute. It's executed. Everything is fine. Now try to go to the purchase order. Yeah, and one more thing, go to the ledger form third browser, go to the ledger pro. Click on fiscal calendar. Fiscal calendar. Yeah, is it financial period is exist or not? Let me verify. 22 is available. Good. Okay, close. Now go to the first browser. Now try to do once again for a purchase order invoice. Close these error messages. Now try to do one more time invoice, post it. No problem, you can do. So existing pending invoice only, you can try to do invoice once again.
Okay.
No need to delete, update like update mass status and try to post. One second. account number for transaction type, cost of purchased material, invoice does not exist. Okay, go to the second browser. Cost of material invoiced. Select the third one. Wait, click on edit. Click on edit, and try to delete this line and try to recreate. Click on delete in the top, and click on once again new. Select that account 40. 1 second. Click on the drop down. Click on show all. No, 140,200. 140. Enter 140 only. Don't enter full. Show all in the left side. Show all is there. Yeah. Is it coming or not? Okay.
Only
Remove the 140 also. Remove 140 also. Now show all. Click on. It is coming. Okay. Fine. There is no escalation mark or something. Now enter 140,200. Click on save. Save it. Wait. Everything is fine. Now go to the purchase orders once again. The first browser. One posting number, account number for transaction type, cost of purchase material invoices. Okay. Close this error messages. Close the error messages. Now try to post once again invoice. Generate invoice. Try to do posting in the same. If not, we'll delete once again. We'll try to create.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Try to update my status and try to post once again. So can you create a new item, new purchase order? Close this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, close all these things and try to click new purchase order quickly. So everyone, please do. If you are facing any challenges, ask me in the very first only. Don't ask me in the last. Okay. Select a site and warehouse. Yeah. Select item. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Complete the product receipt and invoice. Sometimes I may have some other work at 9:15 something, 9:20. Then I cannot spend time. That is the reason I'm asking you. Everyone try to ask me in the very first. Okay. Try to do product receipt and then invoice. One second. Can you go to the posting?
Okay, sir.
Posting tab. Posting tab. The browser, it is there. Second browser. Yeah. The purchase expenditure for product. Select that one. Purchase expenditure for product. Is it mapped or not? Mapped. Fine. Yeah. Proceed now. Go to the first browser. Proceed. You need to enter invoice number and date. Yeah. Post it. Account number for transaction type, cost of purchased material, invoice does not exist. Go to the first browser once again. Okay. Okay. Try to make full screen if it is possible. Is it possible for you?
1 second.
Yeah, I know, like you are facing challenges on like GoToMeeting link is moving. Am I right?
Yes.
No problem. So try to adjust.
You can press Alt X R. Saujanya.
Yeah, 1 sec.
Alt X R.
Alt XR.
Yeah, it will be.
Okay, no problem. Let her do it whatever she know. No problem. Okay, so ledger form. I want a ledger form browser, third browser. You need to click on the top corner, expand full screen. Yeah. Okay, fine. No issues. That is also fine. So go to the third browser, ledger form, ledger form.
Actually, this browser is not visible here.
Yeah. You can try your level best. Yeah. Now I want the ledger form. Go to the ledger form once again. Yeah. Now it is there. Am I right? Fine. So here, 1 second. Click on like account structure 1. Click on account structure 1.
Now it is clear.
Okay. 1 minute. Click on edit in the top. So you have entered like is 100.399, which is wrong. Here,
Okay.
1 second, is operator. Click on operator downside. Operator is there. Operator downside operator downside. Yes, is between includes. Is between includes. Then remove that dot 9999 399 there. Remove that one.
Dot is
Remove the 3999 also. Remove all 399. So now enter through right side through 3999. Enter that one. Finance. Apply now. Look at this one in the top. There will be apply. Click on apply. Apply. It is not done properly. Click. So in the top there will be two dots now.
Yes, sir.
Earlier you have entered 1 dot.
Yes, sir.
That is a mistake. Okay, now activate. For all you need to do like this. Click on activate. So is your services are enabled or not?
Enabled, sir.
Okay, fine. Close this one. Close this. Close this. Go to the second one also. You did the same mistake for all. Look at
So
this one.
Remove the dot.
Yeah, exactly. Click on edit. And you need to enter 2 dots always.
Okay.
Otherwise, is between includes. This is the best option. Is between includes is the best option. and remove that 5999, and you need to enter 599 here. Apply. You need to click on apply. Then it will show perfectly. Understood? Now you
Okay,
can do the postings. It will properly. It will work. Okay.
Okay,
You
sir.
can try posting and you will get error. Without any errors, it will be posted. I'm making myself presenter.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Meanwhile, I'm discussing with the remaining people. Mogis, yes, tell me. Mogis, you are asking something, right?
Sir, Monday we'll continue, sir. No problem. You're getting delayed. We'll continue on Monday, sir.
Fine. Anyone else is having any problems? Anyone else?
No, sir.
Fine. So please do practice and come back to me. At least if you have any doubts, I will give. See, because this mistake, whatever she did it, is very minute. It is very difficult to identify because she entered single dot, but we need to enter 2 dots. That kind of mistakes you may do it. So it is very difficult for us to identify initially, but gradually you will understand easily. So if you do mistakes, you will understand easy. Like you can, if you correct it, it will be easy for you to understand furthermore. Okay, fine. So I'm stopping here. We'll connect once again on Monday, same times, 8 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.